Hey dolls. So today I want to share something special my sister brought for me. And I want to try it out with you guys so you guys can tell me what do you think is the best color. So this is called Plumping Glow Reviver Plumping Lip Oil Kit. And it comes in 4 colors. And let me see, what's the color? It's called Heavy Petal, Ultraviolet, Talk That Topay, and Burst of Bubble. Okay, so let's try it out with me. Let's see what's gonna be first. And first of all, let's talk about the packaging. I like this oversized. It almost looks like it's magnified picture. This is very cute packaging. Okay. All right, so let's open this up. Hope I don't mess my nail polish up while I'm doing it. Okay, let's get this open. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Let's set this aside. What color should we try first today? Let me say the colors. Okay, the pink one is called Burst Bubble. The purple one is called Ultraviolet. The brown one is called Talk That Topay. And let's see, the gold one is called Heavy Petal. Okay. Should I try gold first? I don't know. Let's see. The first one is Heavy Petal. And this looks more of like a goldish clear. So let's go ahead and put this on. This is probably a good little everyday look, especially when the spring summer hits and give you a little shimmer. You're not doing too much. And it's like a clear, it looks like. Now keep in mind this is plumping, so it has a tingle to it. Not too much, not too little. Okay, that's nice. It's just a little shimmer. Like I said, not too much. And you see it's a gold shimmer. Okay, I can dig that. So this is called e.l.f. Plumping Heavy Metal. Like that. This is for my golden girls. Golden girls. Now, I will have to say it definitely has a tingle to it. The tingle does kind of fade as you wear it, but it does have a tingle. So just be aware of that. And yeah, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Let's try the next color. Alrighty, dolls, so stick around to the end so we can see what color is going to be the best. We got uno, dos, tres, cuatro. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors to try today. So let's try this out. Let's go.